Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see who favorited your video on TikTok. So if I go to my TikTok account, so now I search here for my another account here. So if I go with this and do it, add it to it favorites and switch to my another account with that account. Okay, so you can see here, added your video to favorite. Ritudash added your video to favorite. So guys, this is how you can see who favorited your video on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.